In front of me is HMD Fusion, and today I would like to show you where you can locate and how to operate vibration options. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to tap on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down to click on Vibration and Haptics. Use the switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them off or on. And if you decided to enable them, click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Then go back, scroll all the way down and tap on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to enable or disable them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!